Hey, folks, this is your boy from Xander, and today we're gonna show you. And Farmer, okay. And today we are going to do an escape room, and we're gonna show you our magnet escape room. What you have to do to get out before you. So, first thing you have to do, guys, is go through this tiny door right here, and then you go inside, and then you're going to go in here, but we're not going to show you this because there's some tricks. So I'm just going to skip to the end. And then you are going to have to go in here and try to escape, because we're going to give you some clues to try to escape, baby. Okay. The timer starts now. Okay, so I think Xander said I have to go over here, and I'll go right in here. Let's go up these steps. Oh, lots of trap steps. Okay, I think these are the real steps, so I have to get up here, go up here, bounce off to here, then go over here, and then go in here, and then, oh no, I am trapped. We'll give you some stuff to escape, man. Don't worry. Oh, yes, somehow I did it. Yeah, let's go, baby. Yeah, let's go. We did it. We did the escape room. Let's go on the mouse, baby. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, baby, let's do this. Oh, yeah. And if you noticed that new, like a subscribe, boy. Yeah, like a subscribe, boy. If you notice our new song for the end of the videos. Peace out, boy! Yeah, like and subscribe. Okay, yeah, like and subscribe. Okay, yeah, like and subscribe, boy. Yeah, like and subscribe, boy.